what's up guys, how you guys doing? So we're here one more time. I'm going to show you guys a little preview of my car. If you guys don't know already, I drive a stock srt4, known in my family as the pumpkin. So here, let's take a look at it. I was messing with the carbon fiber, trying to bring it back to life, but as you guys see, kind of failed. Stock suspension, XXR rims. The body itself needs some work, as you guys can see. Needs some work. Stock interior. Excuse the mess. Nothing too serious. All stock. .4. Yeah, so this is my car. I'll turn it on for you guys. Give you guys a little preview of how it sounds. Yeah, you guys heard the stock exhaust. I will be installing this downpipe as well. I'll let you guys hear the difference.